Good morning, students. Once again I am here with a video and with the topic possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. In the previous video we studied about interrogative pronouns and interrogative adjectives. Now here we have to study about possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. Before I explain what is possessive pronoun, what is possessive adjective, first understand the meaning of possessive. Possessive, it is an adjective and the main verb of possessive is to possess. To possess, it means to own, means ownership of something, that is called possess. It's possess, it is a main verb and its adjective form, that is possessive. Possessive, it means we possess something, we own something. Already we know that what is meant by pronoun and what is meant by adjective. Once again I am repeating, pronoun, it is a word that replaces a noun in a sentence. Adjective, it is a word that modifies a noun. It means an adjective, it is a word that tells something more about noun or pronoun. We move to our main topic, possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours and theirs. These are possessive pronouns. Repeating, mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours and theirs. The pronouns which show possessions, they are known as possessive pronouns. Another thing we have to remember, that possessive pronouns, they are placed before or after the verb. Repeating, the possessive pronouns, they are placed, it means they are used before or after the verb. See some of the examples. This school is ours. If you see here, this school is ours, in that this ours, it shows ownership, and here ours, it comes after the verb is. So ours, it is a possessive pronoun. Move to the next example. This is my pen, where is yours? If you see here there are two words which show possession, my as well as yours. Forget about my, we will understand later on. Second sentence is, where is yours? Here yours, it asks for the ownership and before it there is a verb is. So yours, it is possessive pronoun. This is my pen. Here if you see that my, it shows possession, but before my there is also a verb, but it is not a possessive pronoun because after my there is a noun, pen, and a word that tells something about noun, it is known as adjective. And here you can see possessive adjective, the first possessive adjective I have mentioned here, that is my. So remember this, here my in this sentence, it also shows possession but it modifies a noun, so that is why my, it is a possessive adjective, not a possessive pronoun. The next example, hers is a big house in the city. Here that hers, it is possessive pronoun, it shows possession and it is followed by the verb is. This is about possessive pronouns. Repeating, mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours and theirs. These are possessive pronouns. This possessive pronoun shows possession, means ownership. They are placed before or after the verb. We move to the second topic, possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are my, your, his, its, her, our and their. You find some similarities between possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. Here mine, here my, here yours, here your, here his, here his, same, here hers, here her, here its, here same, its, here ours, here our, here theirs, and here their. So another way to identify whether it is possessive pronoun or possessive adjectives, then see in form first person, that mine, here in possessive adjective mine, in all other that yours, hers, ours, and theirs, there is s in possessive pronouns, whereas this s, it is removed in possessive adjectives. That is one of the easiest way to identify possessive pronouns or possessive adjectives. Another method to differentiate or to identify whether it is possessive adjective or possessive pronoun, that is, see the next point, they are placed before the nouns. The possessive adjectives, they are placed before the nouns, whereas the possessive pronouns, they are placed before or after the verbs. See, already we have studied that what is an adjective. Adjective, it is a word that modifies a noun. It means that tells something about a noun or a pronoun. See the examples. This is our school. Here you can see that our, it shows possession, and this our, it is followed by the noun school. So our, it is a possessive adjective. See the first example of possessive pronouns also. This school is ours. That time ours, that is possessive pronoun, and the possessive adjective example, this is our school. That time our, that is possessive adjective. See the second example, where is your pen? Here your, it shows possession, and that your, it is followed by a noun pen. So your, it is our possessive adjective. If you can, we can also see the example of possessive pronoun, that this is my pen, where is yours? Here yours, it is not followed by a noun. It is yours, and before yours there is a verb is, so it is a possessive pronoun. In the same sentence, this is my pen. Once again, this my, it is followed by a noun pen. So my, it is possessive adjective. The last example, her big house is in the city. If you see that her, it shows possession, and it is followed by noun phrase, that big house. So it is her, it is possessive adjective. See the example of possessive pronoun, hers is a big house in the city. Here hers, it is followed by the verb is, so it is possessive pronoun. We can easily identify whether it is possessive pronoun or possessive adjective by this words that adding of s, or by the what words they are followed. Pronouns, possessive pronouns, they show possession, means ownership. Same possessive adjectives, they also show ownership. But possessive pronouns, they are placed before or after the verb, whereas possessive adjectives, they are placed before the nouns. It means possessive adjectives, they are followed by nouns. They are placed before the nouns. It means possessive adjectives are followed by nouns. Remember, in our workbook as well as in our course book, there are exercises that whereby we have to identify whether the underlying word, they are possessive adjectives or possessive pronoun. In bracket, we have to write PA or PP. Exercise will be given to you at home. You just see the, you watch the video, understand it, and try to solve the exercise of possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. Thank you.